This entire email reply agent runs only on 6 nodes. Let me walk you through the exact workflow. Here's the full chain. Schedule trigger, Gmail get many messages, Gmail get a message, AI agent, Airtable, Gmail mark as read. Each node exists for a reason. Node 1. This workflow runs every 2 hours. Why not instant? Because email doesn't need speed, it needs correctness. Node 2. This node fetches unread emails only. Unread status is the simplest, safest kit. Node 3. This is the most misunderstood step. I fetch the full message using the thread ID. AI without full context is just guessing. Node 4. This is the brain. The AI receives sender info, full message body, clear instructions. It's not told to be smart, it's told to be specific. Accept meetings, decline promotions, stay professional. Node 5. This is not storage, this is control. I store sender name, sender email, original message, AI generated reply. This is my review layer. Node 6. Once logged, the email is marked as read. This prevents duplicate processing. Small node, massive importance. Why it's built this way? This is not about automation speed. It's about trust, observability, decision control. That's the difference between demos and systems. This is a foundational email agent. In future builds, this becomes memory-aware, context-driven, and multi-agent. But everything starts here.